fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
This is a life. Hold on tight.
One of the things